My name is Audrey and I'm an enthusiastic golf player. I'm going to show you the latest innovation for a better grip to improve your game. Place the GolfNewGrip just over your standard grip. Make sure that the top of the GolfNewGrip is placed on the top of your old grip. Pull the string slowly out of the GolfNewGrip and it will immediately tighten itself around the old grip. I will show you now. The advantages of the GolfNewGrip are a thicker and a better grip, no vibration, anti-slip and water resistance.